Trades today. I wanted to kind of go over my Apex account and just show you some updated situations and information that I've been kind of experiencing with the platform of Apex Trader Funding. So I'm going to go through and log in to show you my stuff. If you don't know much about Apex, they are a prop firm and they can fund you depending on your performance. So I have a couple of evals right now that are kind of up. I have kind of holding off on them a little bit. As you can see, I need 53,000 to pass, and I messed up and passed this one, and I passed this one down here because I was kind of trading those on the side a little bit, but then I forgot that they were they were over the threshold of the 53,000 mark to pass. And the only reason why I'm waiting out to pass more accounts because I bought 10 accounts, and I copy traded them to pass, which I could usually pass in like 2-3 days, depending on how aggressive I want to trade. Because there's no rules and you can just trade like a madman if you want. But the goal is to get to the PA accounts. So coming down here, I had a payout request. And I had 3 of them going, and then I decided to kind of trade on the way that they wanted us to trade with the rules, because I kind of started reading through and it was like, well, my rules aren't really lined up with the way that they want me to trade, so it is what it is. But I have active. I pulled out $2,000, 2,000, and then another 2,000, and then I tried to play their way, and I blew up my account because I don't trade that way. It's very unfortunate because technically I lost $2,000 potentially. These are pending. These are all under review. I hope they pay me out. We'll see. And going back to these eval charts, these are the eval charts that they will go over, and they'll make sure that you're good, and then they'll pass you. They'll put you into a PA account. I have a Tradevate account that I just paid for one of them because I passed them, and I was like, okay, well, I might as well pay for it. So you go into a sim. You're still in a sim even though you have a PA account. And so here's my little setup on Tradevate that I use, and then click on this here. So I have 2 PA accounts. One's pending that I just paid for recently, and then so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there's the 10 evaluation accounts. 2 of them already passed, as I just showed you. This one here, and then the one also right here. I kind of been doing this. I just got into it a couple months now. So if I look at my signatures page, this is where you get your accounts to pass, and then you get funded. So these were all funded accounts. Got super aggressive, blew them up. So I'm in the hole a few $1,000s at this point. That's why I was waiting to get paid on these other accounts to see if I can at least break even or very close to. Just kind of going with my experience with this. It's been pretty cool. I like that there's no daily drawdown. That's a big deal on these prop firms. I highly recommend just getting in there and trying it out. And the reason why is because if you do blow up an account, it's only a couple $100 or even less. They are having a huge sale right now. I will put a link in the description, and you can try it for yourself. And it does teach you discipline, and it's actually helped me out on my cash account a little more. I have had some bigger days now, and it's been nice. And so I've been just because I can cash out the same day on Apex. On Tradevate. So yeah, I just been kind of doing my cash account and then also trading the prop firms. So right now I have a couple of requests to pull out, and that'll deduct this from 54,000 down to 52,172, or more or less, whichever. I mean, it's still gonna take until the end of the month. They let you cash out anywhere from the 1st to the 5th, and then the 15th through the 20th. So you can do those cash. That's when you can request a cash withdrawal, and then you still get to trade your accounts. I'm gonna say just do some more evaluation accounts and kind of get a little more, get some depth in there. My goal is to get these 10 completed, funded. Once they pay me at the end of the month, I'll pass these real quick because there's not really much to them. As you can see, I only have $5 to get over the threshold there to be able to qualify these accounts. But then when you go and you do that, there's also that fee to either pay them $105 monthly or because you go and you sign. What you'll do is once you pass, you get this one's been signed. Just a minute. This one's pending. So I'd have to sign this. You read all the rules again. And then once you get down to the bottom, there's some signatures they want you to verify that you've read all of this. And then you put in your social security number for tax purposes, and then you sign, and then you would click there, and then you go to, and then once you do that, you're good, and your account's signed, and then that'll say signature complete, and then you'll go over here, and you'll go to the payment link, and then you'll pay, and which I just paid for this one. So then you'll go in here, you'll enter all your information, pay, go through. And I will, I could add a link to this or another video to this that I have where I paid, and then you'll be pending, and then when you come in here, it'll say PA account, whatever, and then your equity will be $50,000 right here, just like that. So if you have any other questions or items, things that you guys want to address, you want me to show you how I trade, you want me to show you strategies, how I trade, let me know in the comments, and I will be glad to make a video. What are you guys trading? Are you trading any prop firms? Let me know in the comments. That'd be great to interact with some of the viewers, and happy trading.